Gusto ko na ma-overwhelm ka para alam mo ano limit mo. Kasi kapag hindi mo alam yung limit mo, you're just in your comfort zone. Hindi mo alam limit mo eh. Gusto mo yung comfortable lang eh. Gusto mo yung convenient lang eh. And you will never get ahead of life if you always choose what's convenient and comfortable. Your current overwhelmment is your measure. That's your barometer that you have hit your limit. Kailangan talaga umabot ka muna sa breaking point or sa point of stress or sa point of overwhelmment. I'm not saying that you stay there, but I'm saying that you need to be aware of what your limit is first. So hindi pwedeng pagsabayin yung getting out of your comfort zone without being overwhelmed. Because when you get out of your comfort zone, you will really be overwhelmed. And I don't want you to not be overwhelmed. Gusto ko na ma-overwhelm ka. Gusto ko na ma-exhaust ka. Gusto ko na ma-stress ka para alam mo ano limit mo. Kasi kapag hindi mo alam yung limit mo, you're just in your comfort zone. Kapag hindi mo alam yung limit mo, magiging honest ako, tamad ka. Hindi mo alam limit mo eh. Gusto mo yung comfortable lang eh. Gusto mo yung convenient lang eh. And you will never get ahead of life if you always choose what's convenient and comfortable. Now, katulad nung sinabi ko, I'm not gonna ask you to stay overwhelmed. Kailangan lang aware ka. Alam mo, okay, ito yung limit ko. Alam mo na kung ano yung limit mo, wag mo nang puwersahin. Yung iba kasi pinipilit. Wag mong pilitin, wag mong puwersahin. Alamin mo lang. Ngayong alam mo lang, the question now is, not how can you do more. The question is, how can you grow more? So that you've expanded yourself bigger than your problem. So that you've expanded yourself greater than your struggle. So hindi mo kailangan magsipag muna. Kailangan mo muna i-figure out ano bang solusyon dito. Gusto mo kumita ng malaki. Lagi ko sinasabi, meron namang opportunity. Magbenta ka, mangumission ka, yan pinakamadali eh. Ngayon, sasabihin mo, ang hirap naman yan. Well, problema mo yun. That's your overwhelmment. Paano mo ngayon gagawin yan? Eh di pag-aralan mo ano yung skills, how to be an effective salesperson, how to be an effective communicator, how to be an effective deal closer. Ngayon, na natutunan mo to, kailangan mo to i-apply. Anong risk? Mare-reject ka. Dapat lang. Para ma-experience mo. Until such time na hindi ka na kinakabahan sa rejection. Until such time na hindi ka na kinakabahan sa pakikipag-usap. O dahil hindi ka na kinakabahan kasi nasanay ka na, kasi na-figure out mo na kung ano effective, na-figure out mo na what works, have you grown bigger and greater than your overwhelmment? Kasi na-i-grow mo na yung sarili mo bigger, greater, and better than your problem or struggle. Pero hindi mo yun malalaman kung hindi ka umabot doon. Kailangan talaga sa simula, ma-overwhelm ka, ma-exhaust ka, ma-stress ka, para lang alam mo, okay, itong limit ko. How can I grow myself bigger than my limit? So that now, who I am becomes the solution to my limits.